Hello everyone, my name is Lauren and I'm a licensed esthetician and skin coach with Art of Skincare. And today we're going to be talking about the Myolift QT. Now the Myolift QT is a microcurrent device that's great for everyone, but particularly those that are starting out with a microcurrent device. The Myolift QT has two distinct wavelengths, one of them being erase, which is going to help to smooth and soften any areas of expression. So think between the furrows of the brows, the eyes, and the lip area. It also has a lift modality to it. That lift wavelength is great for those areas where you're wanting lift and structure and tone. So think your neck and your jawline, or anywhere where you're wanting to get a little bit of a lift, such as using it on more hooded eyes. This is a handheld device that is compatible with the cellular app. So you do need the two of them to function with this. When you download the Myolift QT app on your phone, it's going to ask you for your age, your weight, your water consumption, and what your goals are. Then the app is going to create a customized routine for you. Now, this is so customized that if you choose that you have rosacea or more sensitive skin, the app is going to lower that intensity for you. Think of it this way, we're working on building up those muscles, so we want for you to continually be able to gradually progress. Now, in addition, the application actually walks you through each series of your treatments, whether it be an individual lip treatment, a full face treatment, or other targeted areas, making this ideal for someone who really needs a bit of hand-holding when it comes to using a device for the first time. Every time you use your Myolift QT with the app, it tracks that progress and it actually moves up your intensity so that again, you're continuously and gradually moving towards a more intense treatment. Now, ideally, that intensity means that you're not feeling anything. When it comes to microcurrent isn't something that you need to feel in order to know that it's effective. The beautiful thing about the app is that it will actually show you a conductive bar so that you know you're actually getting the full benefit of that microcurrent treatment. The Myolift QT is a device that you can use every day if you wanted to. We do find that the use of at least 3 times per week is going to be the most ideal to give you the best results. When you're first starting out, you can use it each day of the week or 5 to 7 times per week. And then for maintenance, after you've achieved your goals, you can reduce down to 1 to 3 times weekly. Every 5 sessions that you do, the app will then track your progress by taking an additional photo. So when you first set up your account, it'll have you take your starting photo. And then again, each 5 sessions, you'll have a new progress photo. Another wonderful thing about the Myolift QT is that it's compatible with a series of microcurrent accessories, such as electrodes to do passive full face treatments with a sheet mask, the Myolift gloves, and so on. Not only that, but the app also provides you with bite-sized, digestible tutorials for each of these tools so that you know exactly how to do them and you even get to follow along with their movements. It really leaves nothing to the imagination. Everything that you need to know what to do is right in front of you on your phone. Now, the Myolift QT comes on its own here, along with its charging cable, as well as the cable used to connect to those microcurrent accessories. In addition to that, it has everything that you need to get started, along with your conductive gel, as well as a conductive mist to help keep that slip while you're doing your treatment. Now, the Myolift QT has an intensity of up to 400 microamps when you're doing those treatments that it provides for you. Now, let's say you're traveling and you want to bring this with you, but you don't know how your cellular connection is going to be. That's just fine. Before you leave on your trip, you can actually set that app to be an app-free mode. What that's going to do is provide you a digestible 15-minute full face treatment. And it's going to provide you with two settings of being low or high, the high being 350 microamps. It really is all that you need, all in one, with the ability to be so much more with all of the microcurrent accessories that you're able to attach to it.